How to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you have done that, simply open Snapchat and then go to your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen. And then right here, scroll down and look for My Friends. So click on My Friends, and then right here, I would like you to tell, I would like to tell you that Snapchat doesn't have an option in which you may be able to um, choose a lot of friends and then remove them all at once. So again, Snapchat doesn't have an option in which you can mass remove or unfriend people on Snapchat. So what you are going to do is you really have to press and hold onto their name and then go to manage friendship and click on remove friend. So if you click on the three dots right here, there is no option to choose a lot of friends, but you should press and hold into their name, click on chat settings, and then click on um I mean let's go back, go to manage friendship and then click on remove friend right here. So if you want to delete all of your friends, what I would suggest is to delete your account. So go ahead on your profile or go to Google or YouTube and search how to delete your account. So that's it. That's how you can remove multiple Snapchat friends at once.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.